I'm Marco from SIG Sauer, and I will present you the P320, which is our new stiker-fired pistol. The pistol itself has a magazine with 15 rounds. We have here the 9mm version. We have 3 different sizes at the moment for this pistol. The normal standard one, then we have a compact, and we have a subcompact. Subcompact, just to show you the difference of the sizes. So we have, as grip possibilities, 3 different sizes also. We have a large, we have a medium grip, and we have a small grip. So the difference to other manufacturers, we change the complete grip. How do we do this? We remove the slide. Remove the frame, and now we just have the grip. Okay. So that means main components of the weapon itself is the frame with the trigger system, slide with barrel, and the lever. That's it.